Right, welcome to another video. As you can see, I've got a bonnet on the car. So story with that, I took it to my friend's garage. You saw a little bit of that, I believe, when I picked it up from Bristol, dropped it straight over there. 2 weeks have passed now. It's back. He gave me a couple of clips. He didn't give me much to go on, but it's here. I've got it on the car. I'll show you the little time lapse of me putting it on. There wasn't much I could film in terms of it being sprayed because he got it done in his own time and I didn't want to bother him too much. But he sent me little clips and I'll just insert them probably after this, just a little montage or whatever. I actually went there myself as well, and I had a look at it just before it got sprayed, so I'll pop that in there as well. But yeah, we're just gonna continue just getting this front end done now. This is gonna be a bit of a weird video because there's not much going on. I've just been sent home from work as well with this coronavirus going about, so I've got 4 weeks now to try and get these projects together. So yeah, hope you're all doing well, hope you're all keeping clean, and just staying safe. But this has given me a good opportunity to get a lot of work done, so get straight into it now. Lovely day as well. Bonnet is almost ready for paint. Looking very, very good on bonnet and bumper I meant. All scotched, and that's just being ready in a minute. But repair done here. I'll probably get a clip of where it was cracked, but really happy. Yeah, that'll just get scotched over. That's in good shape. But yeah, this will be the only kind of video of me talking and being able to show you. But yeah, there was a stripe on both sides that were clear coated in. Yeah, try and get you a good view of it before it gets sprayed. Hopefully I have a few pictures of him whilst he's spraying. Quid. Bonnet's back. I've just come back from my holiday. I've just come back from Dublin for my 21st. So it's all kicking off now this weekend. So yeah, I'm going to chuck you on the tripod. We're going to quickly take this bonnet off. I've got my dad for 2 minutes to actually help me with the bonnet. So yeah, she is. Whew. She is gorgeous. He has knocked it out of the park with that. Obviously all this is just dust where it's just been sat in the garage. But the colour match, you can just see it in this sun. Obviously this is original, this has just been painted, but the camera will never do it justice. But for something that's just knocked out in your garage, it's actually unreal. So bonnet scoop, unfortunately he painted it, dropped it, but I've got the one that originally came with the car, so it should match up quite nicely. But the job right now is get all that under there. When putting this on, my dad dropped the bolt, so we need to find that somewhere. Should be down there somewhere. That's not gonna be very fun. Yeah, I'll knock you up on the tripod. We'll knock this out because very excited. He even dusted over the front here, so it looks OEM like. But fair play to the guy. Unreal. So quick little job done. Gonna leave all this on there. If anyone needs a mini bonnet with a vent hole already cut out, come at me, because I don't need this bonnet anymore. It's a lump to get rid of. But this is all in. Sorry about the sun. I never normally have to apologise for that, but bit of a nightmare today. I can't stop looking at this. I'm gonna go get that other scoop now. Bloody hell, that looks good. This is gonna look good with the roof down. But bloody hell. I'm gonna get the headlights in, etc, etc. Get the mini badge on. Get this thing button up. But yeah, I can't stop looking at it. So, very happy with that. A few little marks on the underneath, but nothing we can't sort out. Gotta plug all the wiring in as well. But yeah, I'll get you back on there. Hopefully get some more progress. Lovely weather. Little marks, but age-related marks I think I can get away with. As you can see, I've got my microfiber gloves on, just so I don't scratch any of the brand new paint. But that's gonna be the biggest eyesore if there is an issue with the paint. But I'm trying to get the light on. But the fleck is just on point with factory. I know you'll never get a perfect colour match, but bloody hell, he's done a good job. But we have got a few issues with this scoop. I do need to fix the just gonna plastic weld it on, and then we'll get the scoop situated properly. But also got this scoop for sale. It's primed. I've got a clip missing there. Well, just broken tab. Most people just seal them in anyway if you're interested. But it's brand new primer, all filled and sanded down. Yeah, continue working on this. That was a bit of a bummer. I didn't realise it was broken so badly, but we'll carry on. Right, as you can see, one headlight in with the chrome surround. Looks fantastic in my opinion. Fortunately, this is the original clip to snap. Obviously when I was, where's that gone? There it is. I snapped the gloss black, but to be honest, I like the chrome. so I'm going to keep the chrome. This one in as well. Put the scoop in just for effect, and I've got the badge on. Yeah, she is gorgeous in this sunlight. Whew. So we've turned the car around. In the time, I haven't really been recording. Got the headlights in. Just missing one screw for right there, but I'll do for now. We've got this headlight in. We've also plumbed in the water for the screen wash. That's all plumbed in perfectly now. We're running out of things to do, to be honest. I'll show you the bumper now. That's been sprayed. Just fast forward. This is the bumper. I showed you briefly when I was at my mate's house, but it's come out lovely. The only reason I can't install it right now is because I left the lights at his house, so we'll have to grab them. On, and that one's fine, but where it was in the crash or I was just being impatient, the tabs have actually snapped off, and this one's even worse because both of them are snapped off. Sorry. So I just need to go get my soldering iron. I'm gonna just plastic weld them back together, so that'll be hopefully an interesting one. Using this soldering iron to basically melt some new plastic onto there to basically weld it and repair it so it doesn't move out. That's all that we're going to be doing. So might be on the tripod. Shouldn't take too long. It's literally just going to be a couple of quick welds. They ain't the prettiest things in the world, the bugger welds or whatever you call them. But I also managed to find this bracket to fix and find and fix. So I'll just, one sec, lighting's pretty bad. But I think that's my favourite one. So I even went at the back as well, underneath. You can't see, but yeah, that is to standard. Should go on nicely now. And now we got the other two ducts to fit. Pretty straightforward one. This one just slots in there like that, and we're just gonna repair that crack on the back as well. So hopefully take 2 seconds as well. Did the outline of the repair just to get it tacked in. It's already quite strong, and then we're just gonna build up with the cable tie. Looks pretty clean like that. a how-to channel, so this is what I come up with. It's not the perfect, it's not most perfect thing in the world, but this is the better one, and it's flimsy anyway, so it'll do. Quick little, if I wanted to pay more attention to it, I would, but it's not the most vital thing in the world. So we'll get this on the car now. Right, this is where we've gotten so far. Those arches aren't going in right now. I'll just put them on, see what we're looking at. Grills are in, scoops on, chrome trim is on as well. Ducts are in, not properly. That one's giving me trouble because of the missing, well, the dodgy bracket. But yeah, very nice in this sunlight. So nice not to be working in the rain. Yeah, we'll have this thing driving very soon. And that is going to be it for this video. Right, time to wrap this one up. We got a lot done today. Very happy with how this is looking now. I love that front end. It is gorgeous. That colour in the sun as well is, in my opinion, very, very, very nice. Thank you again, everyone watching, everyone subscribing, everyone liking and commenting, showing support. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram right by here. You see a bit of the background stuff, a couple of pictures from where we were sanding, priming, all that. I've got that up there. Yeah, thank you very much. Stay safe, stay indoors, and work on your cars, I guess. Catch you on the next one.